This is the October Glossy Box. This edit is called Written in the Stars. I can't wait to get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. This is the October Glossy Box. Let's rip this bad boy open. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, please come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Here is the box. I love it. That is absolutely gorgeous. It's like zodiac signs and stuff, isn't it? That's so cool. Opening the box up, oh, I'm going to spill everything. We get the edit card, so we scan this, the QR code, and it should bring up all the information. The last few months it hasn't worked for me, but we will try that and give it a go. But this edit is called Written in the Stars. This costs $13.25 per month. And if you subscribe to a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, it gradually gets cheaper as you go on. But yeah, I have a link and a code for this. I will pop them down below in the information box and the comment box. If you use them, you will get your first box for a tenner. So we have this leaflet. It just says, we're so excited to share this month's box with you. As always, each month features 5 beauty products worth over £50. Use the code GLOSSY to get your followers a surprise at checkout. We hope you love it and can't wait to see what you think. So yeah, use that code guys and see what freebie you get. Just to be totally clear and transparent, I did not pay for this box. I get it gifted every month from GlossyBox to do an unboxing on my channel to show you lovely lot. I also pay for a box monthly that I pay for myself, which I've started doing monthly giveaways for. So if you want to be in with a chance to win this October box, stay tuned to the end of the video to find out what you have to do to be in with a chance to win. And I'll also announce who won the last box, the September box, so stay tuned. So this is inside the box, very coordinated as per. We know Glossy is good for coordination. And let's open it up. And this code. Oh, I think it's working. It's worked. Oh my goodness, yes. So there's a quick sneak peek for you. But let's have a good dig through to see exactly what we've got. The first item in the box we have is this. So it is by the brand Steve Laurent. Great brand, I must say. And this is an orchid lip oil. This is a full-size product and it has an RRP of £16. It just says, as the days get closer and the air gets drier, it's important to keep your skin well moisturised with an eye-catching sheen. It's non-sticky and comfortable to wear. What more could you want? Yeah, what more could you want? So orchid, I suppose, is that the shade that it's in, possibly? Right, yeah, but it's really pretty. It's got like a pink tint to it. You can't really see the pink tint once it's on, but yeah, it looks very shiny indeed. And it smells gorgeous, oh my god, which probably means it's going to taste gorgeous, so I'll have to like try and not lick my lips when I've got it on. Second product we have is this. I'm loving that bright purple packaging. It's so cute. So this is by the brand Bybee, and again, this is a full-size product, and this is Eye Plump. It has an RRP of £20 and it just says banish lines, wrinkles and dry skin around the eyes with this vegan Bybee Eye Plump. Enhance the sparkle and firm up your skin with this natural formula of Baccholi, I'm probably saying that wrong, extract and evening primrose. Yeah, cool. There's 15 mils in here, which is about the norm for an eye serum, I think. It's not sealed, so let's just have a little go. So it's just there. It feels quite nice and it smells really nice too. And it actually does feel really gentle on the skin. I definitely need some plump under my eyes, I'll tell you. The third item could be one of two items, but they're both by the same brand. So it's by Percy and Reed. So you can either get a full-size Tame That Mane Frizz Fixer Spray, which is worth £7.50, or you can get a deluxe size Turn Up the Volume Dry Shampoo. The deluxe volume is 50 mils with an RRP of £7.50, so I love that it's the same value. if you were to go on and buy a full size of that, it would be £15. So I have got the Frizz Fixer Spray. Oh, that's going to be interesting, especially when I have a natural day where I don't blow dry my hair, because my hair can just go poof. So yeah, we'll definitely have to try that out. I love the packaging of this brand too. It's very, very nice, very unusual. The fourth item, you're going to get one of 3 products. So again, all by the same brand, which is bubble tea. You're either going to get, let's have a look, a full-size pink body wash, which is worth £9.99. Or you're going to get a full-size green body wash, same price, £9.99. Or you're going to get a full-size coconut body lotion, again £9.99. And the one that I have is the green body wash, which is, what is that? Maroli and tangerine. That sounds actually amazing. I love a body wash. I'm really glad I didn't get the body lotion, because I've got loads of them that I need to get through in anyway. So it just says, we're well and truly in autumn now, but you can still feel fresh as a spring day. Try some of this body wash from bubble tea if you want to cleanse your skin and give yourself a boost. Is this sealed? Yes, it is sealed. I'm gonna leave that sealed, guys. Bubble tea, really nice brand, and normally they are known to be quite affordable. Yeah, that's going in my shower. Fifth and final product we have is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Pro. Love, love, love Beauty Pro. Again, this is a full-size product, guys, and this is a warming eye mask. It has an RRP of £5. It just says, escape the hustle and bustle and enjoy 20 minutes of warmth and peacefulness with this Beauty Pro warming eye mask. Infused with chamomile. Sit back, relax, and let the mask smooth your eyes and cleanse your mind. The perfect combination after a long day at work. Hell yeah, hell yeah. I do love these masks. I must admit, it can be wasteful, because obviously it's one use and then you throw it away. But I do really, really enjoy using them, very much so indeed, and I love the brand, really, really love the brand. Again, affordable but awesome. Right guys, so this is the October Glossybox. It's written in the stars. What do you think? Personally, I absolutely love this box. It's so good, really, really good. It's got some great canny little brands in there, not bad at all. So yeah, now it is time to announce our winner of the September box. Right, so I'm just putting the link in the video for the September unboxing. I'm just gonna filter out duplicate users, so everyone has one chance of winning if you've commented more than once. It's making me do a little sum. Let's pop that and let's get the winner. So the winner is Shopaholic90. Meow. Congratulations to the winner, well done. Make sure to head over to my Instagram and private message me your information, and we can get your September box posted to you as soon as possible. If you want to be in with a chance to win the October box, because like I say, yes, I get this gifted, but I also purchase a box from GlossyBox every month as well. So the criteria to be in with a chance to win is 1, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. 2, you have to be following me on Instagram, so make sure to be doing that. Number 3 is to comment down below what is your favourite product in this box, and also comment make me a winner. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.